The heat is on because it's winter. Behind me, you can see a 40-year-old furnace. If there's one thing I'm great at, and the reason my wife actually married me, is because I'm good at changing my furnace filter. Just kidding about that. I'm usually about a 90-dayer as they suggest, but as you can see, we got a 16 by 25 by 1 that we're gonna need to go pick up from the home improvement center. So let's do it. So here we are at our furnace filter aisle. The thing about furnace filters you gotta remember is that the more expensive ones are gonna take more stuff out of the air, but the downside of that is that it'll actually clog faster. So if you're like me and you're not punctual when it comes time to doing this, maybe buying not the most expensive $18 or $22 filter is the way to go. So we're back at the furnace. I got my new furnace filter. One last hint, as you can see, there's a little tiny arrow right there. Put that on there a while ago, and that is so that I know which way the flow is. There is a flow on the air filter. Arrow right there, arrow should match. Other than that, cover it up. We're good for another 3 or 4 years. Just kidding, 3 months. See you next time.